welcome as you work out such a nice maths problem. So let's now start with the solution. So the problem is 9 to the power of a, then multiply by 9 to the power of a is equals to 180. So you can also work it out with me. Then now from here, comment your answers on the comment section. Let's simplify. So the first thing that you need to do, assuming that you have a to the power of m, then multiplied by n, this one can be written as a to the power of m plus n. So since you know that, now our 9 to the power of a multiplied by 9 to the power of a, it can be we can have it as 9 to the power of 2a, because a plus a is 2a. So that to mean that 9 to the power of 2a is equals to 180. So this is what we are solving. So the first thing now, let's now introduce the log on both sides. So now we shall have the log of 9 to the power of 2a is equals to the log of 180. So assuming that you have the log of p to the power of m as like this one can be written as m, the log of p. So now we shall now have 2a, the log of 9 is equals to the log of 180. So for us now, we want to do away with log 9. So for us to do away with log 9, we shall divide both sides by the log of 9. So divide by log 9, divide by the log of 9. So log 9 and log 9 cancels. So 2a is equals to the log of 180, then all over the log of 9. So the next step now shall say that 2a in this case is equals to, so the log of 180 can be written as 9 multiplied by 20, then into bracket all over the log of 9. So according to the law of logarithm, let me take you back. When you have, for example, the log of a multiplied by b, this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So since we now understand this, so now we can write it as 2a is equals to the log of 9 plus the log of 20, then all over the log of 9. So you can also work it out by saying that 2a is equals to, so log 9, then plus, so log 20 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 4, then you shall put it into bracket, then all over the log of 9. So now our value for 2a is equals to, so now we shall now have the log of 9, then plus the log of 5 plus the log of 4 all over the log of 9. So now 2a is equals to, so we shall divide both sides by the log of 9. So now we shall have log 9 all over the log of 9, then plus, so here now we shall have log 5 all over the log of 9, then plus, so log 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then all over the log of 9. So next, now the value for 2a is equals to, so log 9 and log 9 shall cancel, so now we shall remain with 1 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 9, then plus, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 can be written as 2, the log of 2, then all over the log of 9. So when you have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, so according to the law of exponents or logarithms, it can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So since you understand this, so our value for 2a is equals to, so now we shall have 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 9 plus 2, then the log of 2 to the base of 9. Then now for us now to remain with a alone, we shall now have to divide both sides by 2, then all of this by 2. So that 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So the value for a in this case is equals to 1 plus, so here now we shall have the log of 5 to the base of 9, then plus 2, the log of 2 to the base of 9, then all over 2. So this one now can be simplified further, so that now our final value for a shall be, so this one now shall be 1 over 2, then plus 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 9, then plus, so in this case now when we divide it by 2, we shall now have the log of, so plus the log of 2 to the base of 9. So this one now shall qualifies to be almost correct, and the base got this answer as your correct answer. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem up to this far, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So you can still now confirm it very fast. So let's now bring the maths problem that we were to work out. So we had 9 to the power of a, then multiply by 9 to the power of a is equals to 180. So instead of having 9 to the power of a, so we shall write it as 9 to the power of a half, then plus, then the log of 5 to the base of a half plus a half, sorry. So a half plus a half, the log of 5 to the base of 9, then plus again the log of 2 to the base of 9. Then multiply again, so we shall have 9, then to the power of 1 over 2, then plus a half, then the log of 5 to the base of 9, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 9. So all of these now shall be is equals to 180. So next now shall say that, so we shall write it properly by now having 9 to the power of a half, then the plus shall now change to multiplication, then 9 to the power of a half, the log of 5 to the base of 9, then the plus shall change to multiplication again, 9, then the log of 2 to the base of 9, then multiply by this one, 9 to the power of a half, then multiply again by 9 to the power of a half, the log of 5 to the base of 9, then multiply again by 9 to the power of the log of 2 to the base of 9 is equals to 180. So when you work out this maths problem, now we shall now have 9 to the power of a half is the same as the root of 9, then multiply by, so in this case now here now shall have the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9, so now shall now have a half to the power of 5, so now shall have it as the root of 5, then also multiply by, so the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9, so now shall have 2, then multiply by, then here now shall have the root of 9, then multiply by, so 9, the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9, so here now we shall have the root of 5, then here now shall have multiply by, so the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9, so multiply by 2 is equals to 180. So next now shall collect all the roots. So in this case here now shall have the root of 9, then multiply by the root of 5, root 9 multiply by root 5, then also here root 9 multiply by the root of 5, then multiply by, so 2 multiplied by 2 is just 4 is equals to 180. Then next now shall say that root 9 multiplied by root 9, so we shall have 9, then 5 multiplied by root 5 multiplied by root 5 is 5, then so 9 multiplied by 5, then multiply by 4 is equals to 180. So 9 multiplied by 5 is 45, then 45 multiplied by 4 is now 180 is equals to 180. So meaning that our maths problem is very correct. When you now agree and say that the correct value for A is equals to, so 1 over 2, then plus 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 9, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 9. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.